Technology is moving at such a tremendous pace. I decided for this video, I wanted to simplify my life. The concept for the video actually started many years ago. And the idea was to kind of create this performance landscape with the band and shoot the three different members in somewhat of a different sort of format, but have it look as though they're playing together.
It was really a fluid end-to-end Blackmagic workflow. I mean, we used Ursamini Pros as our acquisition tool of choice. All the footage was ingested into DaVinci Resolve 15, and that handled all of our editing, coloring, visual effects. DaVinci Resolve 15 was the ideal tool for this project.
Fusion being built into Resolve means you can get into VFX straight from the edit page or go from VFX to color and back and forth. Being able to have multiple artists work together on the same project file at the same time is unique and will increase studio productivity big time.
I mean, it's really great when you have a lineup of products that all are meant to work with each other. They work flawlessly with each other and they make your workflow in your life easier.
For me, first and foremost, the Node Compositor workflow gives you maximum flexibility for manipulation of footage. Nodes are non-destructive and allow for much more efficient workflow that doesn't require grouping layers or pre-compositing anything. Some of the cool unique things we had the chance to make for the video were these alien worlds for Steve Vai and the band to be in. With what we called the dark world, we wanted to have a completely alien environment with these tall spires as mountains in the background and a glassy, still ocean with fast rolling fog on top. We also had shot the band in different frame rates, so blended together everything would have this out-of-world feel. Essentially, we created mats with multiple Ultra keys masked together, each adjusted to their respective problematic areas. Here, for example, for Steve and Philip on bass, had their own instances of fine-tuned keying to keep all that detail. Then for Jeremy's drums, our roto artist cleaned up areas like chrome on the drum kit hardware, which could not be keyed because of its mirror-like surface.
Being able to stay in one platform, I think, is the future of post-production.
To have something with all of those beautiful editing features and special effects in one workstation, it's the way of the future, and all of a sudden you see it, and the authenticity of what the software can deliver was a stunner. I mean, what a treat.